What do you do when no means no? For those that know and those that don't know, from a lack thereof can keep a person bound until there is a way out. I chose affiliate marketing. Promote a major brand's product through social media, and when it's a sale, you get paid. When I created a Shopify store to host my Amazon Associates products, my settings wouldn't send the customer to the Amazon platform to complete the process. So the Shop app allowed potential buyers to use their affirmed discount to purchase PlayStation 5s. The customer initially only had to put down $15 as a pay installment. Once the customer paid the $15, Shopify registered the transaction as full payment, and Shopify gave me $500 for the purchasing of the PlayStation 5. But I wasn't doing drop shipping. I asked the tech department to fix the redirect to Amazon problem, but Shopify's tech said this is how it was supposed to go, and they saw no fault in the transaction. But the initial $15 down compounded to $500 once it reached the Shopify platform, and the $500 was entrusted to me to drop ship the item and transaction. And that's not how I was setting up my store, with a redirect button to the Amazon platform, but it didn't work properly, and the tech couldn't fix it. So I refunded the customer the transaction, but Shopify refunded the customer $500 instead of the $15 they spent. And those were more than mere customers, but they had to drop on a loophole and such of a suggestion. This glitch transaction happened 5 times before I closed the store for maintenance. Being the problem could not be fixed, I'm sure it would have been that I owed. One successful purchase happened for a $550 PlayStation 5. That I guided the sale, yet Amazon only paid me $5 for a $550 electronic sale. Impossible. I can't even remember if I ever received the $5 or if it was just given to the cause. Shout out to those that go underground, where the ends justify the means, to the payout window.